How to connect n8n with Asana. In order to do that, first head over to your n8n and click on this plus icon. Now, onto the search bar, proceed to search for Asana. Once you have searched for Asana right here, you can click onto the icon and then choose right here the action that you want to use. Let's input right here this add a task comment. So the action depends on you, but the method to connect it is click onto this select credential, click onto this create new, then you can choose to connect using OAuth or access token. So if you have chosen OAuth, you can just choose right here the request domains, click on connect my account. Then after that, this will open right here this window that allows us to connect. Click on this allow option right here. And once you have done that, this will load in order to grant permissions on Asana. And as long as the connection has been successful and then the connection or the account has been connected. You can now find it right here and it's now done. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.